What's up, guys? We're back here at Thunderbolt Lanes for the top 8 bracket in the PBA Skill Ball Challenge, which is essentially the PBA bowlers bowling with plastic balls. In my first match, we got up against Don Bear. So I just want to say a huge shout out to my fans. They delivered the best chocolate milk I've ever had, and 2, a little emotional support, rubber chicken.
Wednesday to Monday.
From this day forward, we're making an announcement that this arena will forever be called and named the Strobel Arena.
He made Team USA and Junior Team USA at the age of 18 through team trials qualifying in 2011. E.J. Tackett. His opponent won back-to-back Bowler of the Year awards in his local bowling association at the age of 17. Matt Ogle. Your round of 8 matchup on lanes 5 and 6. He bowled a perfect game on his 12th birthday. PBA Hall of Famer Tommy Jones. His opponent won 20 titles on the JBT Tour at the age of 17. His 32 career titles are currently in the top 10 all time. Jacob Buttriff. On lanes 13 and 14, this match features 2 admittedly horrible youth players. He won the World Youth Championship, all events, at the age of 22, Don Barrett. His opponent, as a senior in high school, averaged 170 on a sports shot. Packy the gold medal at the World Youth Championships all events at the age of 21 and the Australian Masters at 19, Sam Van Pooley. His opponent was the first youth bowler to bowl 800 in the Texas State Youth Tournament, Sean Lavery Spar.
So Matt Ogle actually had a super cool idea where he was selling some signed jerseys. And if that's something that you guys would be interested in, 1, you can go to his Facebook page and buy some of his, or 2, you can comment down below and you can say that you want mine, and maybe it's something that I would do. But for right now, if you want Matt Ogle's, you can go to his Facebook page, DM him, because he's selling some signed jerseys. And if you want one of mine, you just gotta comment down below and encourage me to do the same thing that he did. Bowling alley. Please miss. Please miss.
Big Bill.
Boo.
Down there is your PBA Skill Ball.
We're all done with the skill ball challenge, thank God. It didn't go so hot for me. Didn't go so hot at all. Shot like 150, then 180. Missed a couple spares. They were super hard. I couldn't get my ball to stop hooking really. And when I tried to get it to stop hooking, it stopped hooking completely. So time to go home and practice a lot for me. But congrats to Dom. Matt Ogle finished second. Congrats to those guys for making it through. And shout out to Dom because he crushed me and then he crushed everybody, it sounded like. So yeah, congrats to him. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Don't forget, click that subscribe button down below because we're giving away a signed bowling pin by the top 8 bowlers in the world once we hit 120,000 subscribers. So stay tuned for that. And as always, peace.